I'm Wilson, co-founder and CEO of BlockSurvey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first survey using BlockSurvey. Let's get started. As soon as you sign in, you will see this dashboard. You can create your first survey in three ways. Click on Create New. You can start from scratch, or you can use the AI to create your first survey, or you can use our collection of 1,000 plus templates to get started with. For this demo, I'm going to use the AI to get started. This is the text box where you have to give a topic, specifically your could be your survey title, could be your form title, could be anything, pretty much a small phrase on the topic you wanted to create your questionnaire for. So here I'm going to type for now, create a customer satisfaction survey for survey and hit generate questions. What we do is now our survey model studies the topic and creates questionnaire for you. There we go. We have the first set of 10 questions. For now, I'm going to keep it very minimal. So let's stick to just 3 questions. The first three, I'm going to delete it. And in case if you wanted more questions, you can always use the make more options to generate further questions. For now, it's sticking to 3 and going to hit create. Now, what we do is we predict the question types and then also the options. Now, if you see here, the first question is predicted as a NPS question type. The second one is opinion scale, and the third one is a single choice. In case if you wanted to change the question type, you can change it. There are about 20 plus question types available, right from scales to matrices, choices, open text, signature, image capture. These are few of the question types you can explore. Now, how does this gets presented to your audience for your respondents? So hit on preview and see how it will be presented. The first one is a one question view, which is singularly focused on one question at a time. As you answer, the next question will automatically come up in that space for the user to answer. This is the one question at a time view. The second one is a classic view, which is so long paper form like view. Then we have the conversational view, which is chatbot style. Now what I'm going to do is hit publish, and there you have the URL, and this is the URL you will copy and you will share it with your audience. I answered this survey, so let's look at how the results are. Go to analytics to see your responses. So there you go, you have the analytics. Here you would have charts and then also grids for you to dissect your data so that you can get insights from your data and take actions. And in this entire workflow, your data is end-to-end encrypted and you truly own your data. What I mean by that is your data gets decrypted only at your browser. BlockSurvey has zero knowledge on your data. And for your audience protection, we don't run any big tech analytics at all. It is super private and secure. And your audience can answer from a zone where they can give you honest and authentic feedback. You can run anonymous surveys as well. No browser information, IP address is being collected here. So that's how you create your first secure survey using BlockSurvey. Now go and sign up, create your first survey, and tell us how's your experience. And if you need any assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to help you. Thank you.